Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And friends, today I want to share with you guys how I actually make this mayonnaise, which is super easy. And I never buy mayonnaise from the store. So friends, with this minimal ingredients that you have it, you can make this mayonnaise so easy, and you have all these ingredients at home. Super tasty mayonnaise. And friends, for this you need to have a cup like this, a tall cup, and you need to have a hand blender. In Bhutan, usually we use this hand blender to make our Bhutanese suja or butter tea. We use that. And for those ingredients, friends, what you need to have are egg. See, here I'm using 2 eggs because I'll be making a large batch of mayonnaise, and I'm using olive oil here, and you can use any other oil that you have at home, and that's the lemon juice, salt, and if you want to make it spicy, friends, you can add chili powder also in this one, or any other flavor that you want, flavored mayonnaise that you want to make. So first, it's very simple, friends. First, what you need to do is you have to layer this one up. First, your egg, and then you pour the oil on top of it. So the ratio that how I use it is like, if it's 1 egg, you have to use 1 cup of oil. So since I'm using 2, so I'll be using 2 cup of oil here. And I'll add the lemon juice. And for lemon juice here, so the ratio for lemon juice is, for 1 cup of oil, what I use is like 1/4 cup of lemon juice, because I like my mayonnaise to be a little bit on the sour side, and add the salt. And like I said, if you want to make it spicy, you can add chili powder at this point, or like any other flavored mayonnaise. And this is the trick here, friends. So you put your hand blender all the way on the bottom and start blending it on the high mode. See how you see, like when you just don't take out the blender or don't move it, just keep blending it, and it will start to thicken on the bottom. See how it's getting thicker and thicker, and it's coming up. See, and it's mixing very well right now at this point. Really delicious, healthy mayonnaise is ready, friends. And generally, see how when you lift it up, see how it's like very thick mayonnaise. So this is what the consistency has to be. And friends, for this one, you can enjoy with your salads, like your potato salad, and a lot of other things, from the burger. And you can make a lot of like different kind of like dips for your veggies, a lot of things you can use it. And you cover this and you store it in your fridge, and it stays really good for a week. And here you go, friends, creamy, super creamy and delicious mayonnaise. Once you make this at home, you'll never want to buy from outside, which I never do. And friends, hope you like this video, and I hope you make this mayonnaise and use it. I know a lot of people like it on the sandwich. So friends, thank you for watching. Share lots of love and happiness.